lovelies, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. It feels so great to have you back in today's video. I'll be showing you how to make chicken curry sauce at home. This sauce is a combination of flavors, textures, and aromas, which makes it an ideal accompaniment for rice dishes and pastas. You can easily prepare this chicken curry sauce recipe in just few minutes. So let me show you how. Start by cutting your chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Once done, season the chicken pieces with salt and black pepper. Use your hand to toss the seasonings to coat nicely. Go ahead and add in some oil to a large skillet and then drop the chicken pieces to brown on one side for 3 minutes. Once it is nicely browned, just like this, flip over to the other side and brown for another 3 minutes before taking them out into a dish. Add more oil to the same skillet if necessary and begin sauteing some diced onions for 4 minutes until they turn translucent. Once you're done with that, go in with some grated ginger and minced garlic. Cook these spices on medium heat for just a minute until fragrant. Next, add some curry powder, garam masala, coriander, cumin, turmeric, and green chili pepper. Toast these spices for just a minute and let the fragrant aromas waft through the air as they sizzle away. Once you could notice or perceive some delicious fragrance coming out of these spices, you can then pour in some crushed tomatoes. Mix this together and let it simmer for just 5 minutes until softened. After that, return your cooked chicken pieces to the mix and saute it for 2 minutes to pick up the flavor of the other ingredients. And finally, pour in your yogurt and also add in some chicken stock. The yogurt is going to serve as a base for this sauce, and it also helps to thicken it nicely. Don't forget to season the sauce with more salt, chili flakes, and some black pepper. And carefully stir this to combine nicely. You can see everything is beginning to come together and the sauce is beginning to make sense. Now bring it to a gentle simmer for 20 minutes. You need to slow cook it to enable all these flavors to infuse together, and make sure you stir it occasionally until the sauce thickens up. Once everything is fully coated in the richly spiced sauce, and you could also notice a rich, creamy consistency with tender chicken pieces, just like this one. Go ahead and garnish it with freshly chopped cilantro for extra freshness. You can cook this for just a minute and then take it off from heat. So lovely, your delicious chicken curry sauce is ready in no time. You can serve it over rice or dip your naan bread into it and enjoy. This sauce is the perfect addition to any meal. It is easy to make and can be used in various ways. Trust me when I say this will become your go-to sauce. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Until next time, have a great day and bye.